Hi everyone, this is practice formative of chapter 4, question number 26. So we have 4 letters that need to be selected from the word hitung. So how many letters are there? H-I, T-U, and G, all are different letters. So we have 6 of them. So N equals to 6. And then how many different selections that are possible? So, and from the selections, we have to determine the number of selection that so certain condition is imposed. So let's find the number of selection without any condition imposed first. So that will be choosing 4 letters. So N, C, R. We have to use this formula. So in this case, N is 6 to choose 4. So 6C4. Okay, there are 15 ways to select any 4 out of the 6 letters. Now, A, we don't want it to contain the vowel U. It means U, it's not in the selection, so we are being biased. So the available N to be chosen from will be 1, 2, 3, 5. 5, we choose 4. Okay, so let's get it from the calculator. Instead of 6, overwrite with 5, enter. So there are 5 ways only to make the selection that doesn't contain the vowel U. And next, part B, it contains the vowel U. If U must be in, all right, since we need to choose 4, okay, U must be in, then 3 must be from the rest, from the others. Therefore, U must be chosen, so 1C1. You don't write that, it's fine as well. And the remaining will be 5. Out of this 5, we only choose 3. Okay, therefore, we just key in 5C3. 5C3, overwrite. Therefore, we have 10 ways. That's it. Okay, so we found the answer for question number 26.